Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to join today's free paper class session. What you have to do is you have to enter vastmaths.lk website through your mobile phone or laptop, and I hope you all have already registered. If you have not registered, please register, and if you have any issues receiving the email verification or the mobile verification, please let me know. I will be able to help you out. And if you have registered, just press login, and there you have to type your email address you used and also the password. Make sure your email address is correct, and once you type your email address and password, click login, and you will be shown what are the classes available. So when you are buying the grade 11 classes, you have to click these grade 10, grade 9, and there are some other upcoming classes as well. And then at the end you will see the free sessions. All the free sessions will be loaded into this folder. So if you click these free sessions, you can see at the moment the paper class session for today will be there as a free session. So what you have to do is, you can see the price is 0. How do you purchase this is, not only this, even the other lessons you can purchase in the same way. You have to click add to cart, then the site will refresh. If there are any more lessons you want to add, you can add them as well. So add all the lessons you want, and once you add the lessons, if you go for the side menu, or if you are using the laptop, in the top part you can see the cart. Once you add the lessons only, the cart will be visible, and it says cart 1 because you have added one lesson. If you have added 2 or 3 or 4 lessons, the number will be popping up here. So what you have to do is press the cart 1, and there it will be showing you the price. Since this is a free session, it has said the price is 0, and the other classes the actual price will be shown. And the payment methods, when you are buying other classes, you can select the online payment. If you are buying through credit or debit card, this is the fastest way to buy the lessons. Immediately it will be approved and you will get a message. The second method is bank deposits, that is you deposit and you upload the bank slip here, and within a day you will be getting the approval. And once you get the approval, you will get a message saying your payment for these lessons have been approved, with the lesson title and everything you will be able to see. And the third method is cash payment, that is if some people are there who directly come and pay to me or one of the institutes. In that case you can select cash payment, and because this is a free class, you have to select the cash payment option, and then you have to say place order, the payment method as cash payment, and then the coupon code. Since this is a free class, you have to enter this coupon code, free 456. That's the coupon code for today, and you have to place the order. Remember to put the coupon code, otherwise I can't accept you. And then once you do it, it will take you to your profile. Your profile is where you can see the upcoming classes, the payment status and all. Now if you have any upcoming classes, it will show here. If it is blank, that means you have not purchased any classes. And payment status, if you click that, it will show you what are the payments you have made. Now see, you have made a payment for the free class, that's why it's saying 00. You can cancel the order as well. Once I approve, what will happen is this class, this paper class will be visible in upcoming lessons. In upcoming lessons you will be able to see the paper class session. So what you have to do is, I will actually make it available for this particular profile. After that you can see what happens. Okay, so what I did is I accepted that payment. Once your payment is accepted, you will get a SMS message saying your payment has been approved, and the classes you have purchased also will be coming in the message. If you got that message only, that means your payment has been confirmed or your class has been confirmed. If you don't get that message, that means your class is still in the pending section. So you can come to the profile. Now you can see, now at the moment, see upcoming lessons, I don't have the paper class because that class was not approved. But since I approved now, I will refresh this page. Let's see what happens. So when I refresh the page, see, now the paper class is also there in the upcoming lessons. So you can weave the lesson, and when you weave the lesson, you can see about the lesson and announcements. There will be announcements here, and resources. The resources is some materials, tunes, questions, videos, what I want for the lesson will be uploaded here. So you don't have to check the Google Classroom. If you want, now see, I have put a warm-up question here. That is, before you come to this class, please take 10 minutes and do this question, because this will be the first question I'll be discussing. And if you open up, you can see the PDF material is there directly. so you don't have to change apps and everything is available here itself. You can even download it. And yeah, now see in here, join Zoom meeting button is there. If you press now, it will not work. It says link will be available 15 minutes before the scheduled time. If you press now, it doesn't work. Okay, because the class is at 7 o'clock. This link will be active only at 6:45. So around 6:45 you can log in and you can press the join Zoom meeting button. You have to come to your profile, click the paper class, the free paper class which you have bought in your profile, and then Weave lesson in that join Zoom meeting. If you press that, this will automatically open the Zoom application, and as usual we can join the class. So that is the process. So today you have to attend the paper class using this method. Okay, and if you have any issues, please WhatsApp me in a text message, don't call me, and I will see you today. And even the other classes, the future classes will be done in this method starting from June 1st. So today is a free session. Everyone can come and check out the class. We will be doing some questions from share market and percentages. So see you all soon.